not something end of anything. It's a part of our career. So when we join, we have to retire one day. It's a phase of our professionalism, we should say. So it is coming to an end. In case of Nagaraj, he's very successfully done it for 42 years working in this on a career part. I should thank God that without any scratch, he's completed his career. I know Nagaraj since 2014, when we did Telangana, after bifurcation of our state, then Telangana had come. We had two major projects to bring power into our state. That was 800 megawatts KTPS stage 7 and 1080 megawatts from Manuguru. He was SC 400 kV at that time. I was CE 400 kV. We worked together. He's a very hard-working person. I've seen him. So dedicated in the field. That part of working there in Kottagudem and Manuguru was very tough with severe ROW problem and those farmers there and forest also, lines were coming through forest. There's a lot of pressure from the government to get the power from Manuguru to up to Suryapet and KTPS to, we had a new substation soon. Every week we had very severe meeting and I only used to put pressure on Nagaraj. But with very hard work, he has successfully completed. And based on his performance here, when Kaleshwaram project, state project had come, they had selected him for Kaleshwaram only because of his performance at 400 kV level. With very sad heart, I had to relieve him because Kaleshwaram was more important than our projects. So we worked together with very coordination, and of course, because of their hard work, we could all come out with all this evacuation and all. As a person, he might not express his feelings properly, but by heart is a very good person. He thinks a lot about any issues, and now that in this promotions, before his leaving, I think he was seeing many people delighted by promotions, of course not transfers, but promotions. He has a very big role in it. So we are all happy, Nagaraj Garu. We have made so many people happy before you leave this organization. And also, he thinks a lot. Future baga think chestaru. Initially, we won't get a proper answer, but he thinks a lot about the future. మేము కూడా ఏదైనా ఆవేశం పడుతుంటే మేడం ఇట్లా ఆలోచించండి ఫ్యూచర్ ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది అని తప్పక మాకు మంచి మంచి గైడెన్స్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటారు అండ్ ఐ విష్ హిమ్ I'll always ask him, don't sit at home and wail away your time. You have very good knowledge, you have very good experience from Transco. So utilize this anywhere else, sir. And of course you can come and give us advice now and then. Wishing him all good health and all his future endeavors.